I gave an AI one single instruction. Go to YouTube, find two tech influencers with 10 to 900,000 subscribers, and collect their business emails. And this is the result. It navigated the site, applied the filters, visited their channels, found the contact info, and compiled a perfect list for me. I didn't click anything. I just told it the goal. This is Nextbrowser, and it's not just another AI tool. It's a fully autonomous AI agent that can browse the web and complete complex tasks for you. This is one of the most powerful and practical AI agents I have ever seen. It's designed to automate the thousands of repetitive tasks that professionals have to do every single day. Things like scraping websites for leads, conducting outreach, monitoring social media, and more. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what this is, show you three incredibly powerful real-world demos, and explore how you can use this to either save dozens of hours a week or even build a brand new automated business from scratch. Let's start with that first example, influencer outreach. On the left, you can see the incredibly detailed prompt. It's a multi-step plan telling the AI to go to YouTube, search for laptop and smartphone reviews, filter by channels, find two influencers in a specific subscriber range, visit their About page, and extract their business email. This is a task that would take a human virtual assistant 15 to 20 minutes, and we're going to automate it completely. But what about something even more complex, like SEO link building? This is a task that entire agencies are built around. The prompt here is to find three high authority websites in the AI industry that accept guest posts and find their contact emails. It even specifies the criteria, a domain authority of 60 or higher. The agent starts by searching Google for relevant blogs. It opens the first result, Write for AI, and begins to evaluate the page. It's not just looking for an email, it's reading the content to confirm it accepts guest posts. Then, it navigates to the contact page and extracts the email address. But here's the incredible part. It remembers the domain authority requirement. It opens a new tab and navigates to a domain authority checker. It then switches back and forth between the tabs, copying the website URL into the checker to verify its authority score. This is a multi-tab, multi-site workflow involving research, analysis, and data verification across different platforms. The agent is demonstrating a level of workflow automation that goes far beyond simple scraping. Finally, let's look at one of the most human-like tasks, warming up a social media account. If you just create a new account and immediately start posting business links, you'll get flagged as spam. You need to act like a person. The prompt here is to log in to Reddit, scroll the feed, find relevant posts, upvote them, and leave a useful, topic-related comment. The agent navigates to Reddit, logs in with the provided credentials, and begins scrolling the e-commerce subreddit, mimicking human behavior to build a history. It finds a post, upvotes it, and then writes a genuine, context-aware comment. You can schedule this to run for 15 minutes a day, and you'll have a fully warmed up, authentic social media account ready for marketing without any manual effort. This is all powered by four key technologies. Human-like interaction allows the agent to solve CAPTCHAs and browse naturally so it doesn't get blocked. The cloud browser with geo control lets you run tasks from anywhere in the world, which is perfect for testing and localized research. Smart login management securely saves your credentials so the agent can log into any platform on your behalf, and scheduled automation is the master key, letting you build these workflows once and have them repeat on any schedule, creating a true autonomous digital workforce. So, how do you make money with this? The answer is simple. You build a business. You can create a lead generation agency that uses Nextbrowser to find contact information for any niche and sell those lists. You can start an SEO service that automates the entire link building outreach process. You can run a social media management agency where AI agents warm up and manage client accounts on autopilot. For the first time, you have the power to scale your operations without needing to hire a massive team. This is the power I want to give you at Mike's AI Forge. I test these game-changing tools, show you exactly how to build these money-making workflows, and give you one-click access to deploy them. If you're ready to start building your own army of AI agents, I'm inviting you to join the Forge. Click the first link in the description to get free access to my platform and my entire library of curated tools. Thanks for forging with me today. If you got value from this video, subscribe to the channel. The AI revolution is here, and we're going to build it together. I'll see you in the next one.